Welcome to Lonely Han channel. The best way to defeat someone is to beat him at politeness. The army without the nation, and the nation without the army is easy prey for the enemy. A spy can defeat the whole enemy, and a traitor can humiliate his entire nation. The pain of freedom is better than the pain of slavery. Gentleness is the key to many hearts. It is not the custom of kings to kill kings. Seek out your enemy and engage him in battle, but let your love for him remain unchanged. If you want to destroy any nation without war, make adultery or nudity common in the young generation. The time will come when the army will also become a group of luxurious soldiers, and its rulers will play into the hands of the enemy. Where bread becomes more expensive than a laborer's wages, two things become cheaper: a woman's honor and a man's pride. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.